You know, the Chinese are not making any bones about the fact that they see the world now in a so-called new era in which they are much, much stronger than they were before. They have basically said publicly, with a lot of warm talk about world cooperation, they have nevertheless said that the forces that animated reform and opening from 1979 to about 2013, that those forces have played out now. That era is over. China is now much stronger. So it's not clear to me that the leadership is thinking, oh, gee, we better make nice to the Americans or anybody else to do a deal so that we get some of the pressure off ourselves. They're acting as though if push comes to shove, they feel they can outlast the United States, which is the principal source of pressure upon them.
Right, but I want to read out an extract from President Xi Jinping's speech overnight yesterday, at the reception during the 70th anniversary celebrations. And he said, and this was, of course, quoted by the local media, that China will continue to fully and faithfully implement the policies of one country, two systems, the people of Hong Kong governing Hong Kong, the people of Macau governing Macau, and a high degree of autonomy for both regions. Is he trying to address that problem as a means to say, look, we are going to do what's fair, as far as this situation is concerned, so that it doesn't become an overhang with the trade negotiations?
That's the $100 million question, isn't it? The Chinese are facing a real challenge of optics, you might say, as Hong Kong continues to spin so wildly. But I think for Xi Jinping to be re-emphasizing one country, two systems and Hong Kong people governing Hong Kong at this time is probably a pretty strong assurance that the worst is not going to happen in terms of a forceful entry of PLA or PAP forces into Hong Kong to put unrest down. Let's hope that's true.
Okay,
it would be so disadvantageous for China to try to intervene with armed force in Hong Kong. It's really hard to imagine that they would do it, except under almost unimaginable circumstances.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.